All right, Laker Nation. To start the school year off, I just felt like an opening letter just wouldn't encapsulate what we're really all about here at Colchester High School. And I want to share what our goals are for this year and highlight some of our students and hear from our students and our teachers what their perspectives are to start this year and what really makes Colchester High School the community that we want it to be for everybody.
I'm really excited for the musical that's going to happen. It's going to be pretty great. Wrestling and all that jazz, and definitely Spirit Week. Oh yeah.
This year in 2025, I'm most looking forward to getting to collaborate with my coworkers, all hands on deck. We're looking forward to showing up at co-curricular events and upping our rigor here in order to provide the best student outcomes possible.
Senior year, it's exciting. Time flies. I'm really excited about the rest of the sports season, lacrosse, soccer.
Probably all the cool classes I'm taking. I'm just taking like chemistry. I'm doing 2 maths, which I thought I'd never do freshman year.
I've got really fun groups of kids this year, and there's a lot of good energy in my classes. So I'm really excited about the groups of students that I have.
The first day of school, I walked into school and I saw all my friends. So it was kind of good to just see the people that I feel comfortable around again.
PE has been so much fun. I'm really getting into rowing. I like it a lot. I like to go fast because the boys will race in the canoes and I'm like, I want to kayak, I'm going. That's fun.
PE, we're down at the lake enjoying some lovely Vermont weather here in September. We just got back off a great day. We had a student catch 4 fish, a big bass. He was very excited. The whole crew was cheering for him, so that was a big highlight so far.
A highlight from my year is already the soccer team. I got named captain in my freshman year for the JV team.
I like having lunch with my friends. I love spending time with them since I don't have classes with them, but it's so nice to just see them throughout the days and throughout the halls.
Highlight for me is how awesome my teachers are this year. They're super connecting and really fun to be with.
I'm doing a lot of work this year with the Lake Show to continue our co-curricular highlights. I'm also involved in a couple after-school choirs, SJA, Dream.
Pretty much just doing theater right now because that takes up such a big portion of your schedule.
Right now I'm in soccer and I'm doing basketball, baseball, and right now I'm in the Dream mentoring program.
This year I'm most excited for my drawing class and Arabic that I'm taking second semester.
I am really looking forward to AP Lit. So far, it's been a really good class. Mrs. Hughes is the sweetest ever.
I'm really liking geometry with Miss Mulhakey. She's just been very nice. She's been very supportive of what we do. She's always willing to compromise and help you through anything.
I'm taking some really cool classes. I'm doing yearbook publishing, which I think is really cool to help with a yearbook that people will have for the rest of their lives.
Teachers I'm excited about having. I like Miss Dorsey, she's awesome. Mr. Phillips and Mr. Parker, those are definitely the top 3.
Classes this year, super chill. Seminars, fun. I think it's really good to prepare for post-graduation.
I have some new hard classes. I have new APs this year and I haven't taken an AP. So I'm excited to see how that's going to go this year, especially since it's my first one.
I really like AP Physics. Mr. O'Loughlin is one of my favorite teachers. I like that guy a lot, yeah.
Our academic goals are to increase student engagement in the classroom, and to accomplish that, we really need to improve attendance district-wide and school-wide. It's essential that you help us this year in getting students into Colchester High School, because if you put your students in front of our teachers, I promise you, we are ready to go.
We're working towards really noticing the kids who aren't here and getting them back in the building. I've already started building a relationship with the kids that I know that I'm going to be working with this year. I've already picked them out.
I think it's been a really good transition to no cell phones. Students have been very respectful of the policy. Students are more engaged in class. They're more engaged with each other. There's fewer distractions, and students have taken to it really well.
As being a big phone user, I'm definitely a screenager. I thought it was going to be worse than it was, but I've honestly adjusted to it. I have a lot of work to do, so it's just not really a big impact on me.
I've been really pleasantly surprised with how smoothly it's been going and how nice it's been to not have to constantly tell kids to put away their phones. Attention has been better. Kids are getting more work done. I had a kid finish a sonnet in AT today. It was great.
It's been pretty easy for me because I'm not one of the people who spends a lot of time on my phone during the day. I don't use it that much. I would really only use it when I didn't have a class.
I will admit it was hard at first because it has been a distraction for me, but I've gotten used to it and I definitely feel more engaged.
Colchester High School is a place where community thrives. Everyone here respects each other. Here at Colchester High School, I think we're able to incorporate diverse experiences in order to come together, in order to see everyone's perspective and highlight those perspectives.
Everybody's so nice and all the teachers are like on top of it and they want to help you and they like want to be your buddy. Like, not in a weird way, like in a nice way, in a fun way.
The community's great. We got great school spirit. The school's awesome, great teachers, and everything about Colchester is just a blast.
I love our school community and how like bright they are and how engaged they are with our school and how much energy they have.
Overall, kids really buy into like, this is where we are and let's get behind one another and back each other for support and encouragement in all different facets.
It's the best community. We are good at relationships, and I've been here for 20 years, and it's the only place that I can imagine working. I love the people that I work with. I love the students that I work with, and it's just a great place to be.
The faculty are amazing, the environment's amazing, the effort we all put in to create a good bond with the people here is amazing.
Get as involved with clubs, with activities, with theater, with other things that are happening at the school. The more connected a student can feel, the more opportunity they have to find their friends and find people who have common interests with them, and really sort of they can create these common memories together. And for families to know that we are here to help their students be as successful as possible, don't hesitate to reach out.
I mean, I would recommend that they come to Colchester because, you know, it's like a good community and like you can like make a lot of friends and like you can like show your school spirit and stuff.
I'd say to get involved, and it goes along with why Colchester is so great, is because there's so many different extracurriculars and like clubs and sports and things that there's like such a large variety that everybody has a place here.